Right there. Does it hurt all? Yeah? No?
Just uncomfortable. I'd say it's about a 4, 3 or 4.
Alright, so first we're just going to use a drop table. Realign your hips. Okay. I'm going to use an instrument on you, so this instrument kind of vibrates the joints, breaks up some scar tissue. Realigns it a little bit. Bend your leg. Tender, isn't it?
Yeah.
Too hard on you. I felt guilty after eating that sandwich.
Hey?
I felt guilty after eating that sandwich.
Yeah.
It's too much.
I'm too fat.
So am I. Lay on your side, please, mate.
That's going in the video.
Kind of way a little bit. No arms. Bend your top leg. Okay, arm out. Oh, good. On the side.
Huge neck crack.
Bend your top leg. Push your knee. Get that arm out. Back. Okay. Come on up for me. Sit on the edge. Here. Here, chin down. Lay your back. Just relax. Good. Good. One more up here. More.
I feel that.
Yeah, not too bad?
Oh, that's good.
Good, right?
Yep.
Do you want to do neck or anything?
Yeah. Yeah.
You do neck? Did that top one hurt your back?
That top one did, yeah.
Or still hurt?
Yeah. Yes, a little.
A little bit?
Little
Come on
tender.
back. Come on back.
Okay.
On your back. That top one's right where you bend, so you get a lot of inflammation there.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes when we adjust it, it hurts just a little bit. That'll loosen up.
Right.
Nice. Nice. Just drop your head. Drop. And just drop.
Wow.
That's all.
It's refreshing.
Oh, good.
Good?